You're welcome. In this video, we learn more about Python Turtle graphics programming. So this is example 4. So in this, we learn like how to generate stars, stencil stars. That means there's a big stencil and a smaller one. It's a stencil wheel. When you write this, you can generate different pictures. Same thing you can see like how we can do this with the different angles, and then how to generate the random color and then apply the same to the stars. So here you can generate simple stars, complex stars. So all we can explain you in this video. So if you're watching first time, so in the description we provide a link for other videos. So please watch them also. So we have example 1, 2, 3, 4, and also learn turtle examples, how to use the turtle commands. That video is also available. So please watch them also in case you want to learn more about turtle programming. So here is a shell. So ideally, so we started the Python ideally. So this is ideally, right? So click on ideally. So there's a integrated development learning environment. So we have opened it. So you can say that we have a prompt here. This is a Python prompt. And then go to file menu and then you click a new file. So file will be opened. So when you click this, a file will open. And here you can see that we already set we are configured it. So if you go to highlights, so you can choose a theme, like what theme you want. So all these already explained in a different videos. So please go to our channel, browse the videos over there, and you can learn all this, how you can do all these things, right? So now let's start with like how to write the star program. So here is a import turtle. So here we record a turtle library, so we're importing it. So win is equal to turtle.screen. So we are creating an instance of screen. Turtle. So this is the new turtle. So now T is a new turtle. So it's an instant of turtle. Using that we can write the star. So in order to write a star, what you have to do? So T forward. Let's say 200. So you need to turn now. So therefore T dot right. You can try with the different angles. First let me try with the 144. And again if I repeat the same. Okay, so 4 times. So save this file, and then if you run this, you can see that you record one more time, or you need to send back to the original locations. So a star is created. Now you want to pen size to be a little bit bigger, you can say t dot pen size 4. Now you can see that it will write a little bit darker. Then a star is generated. But why to repeat the same thing again and again? So therefore what we can do is, so we can use a loop here, for loop or while loop. So you can say while n less than or equal to 4. So then you need to take one step forward, and here colon, then you need to increment the n value. So that is called n is equal to n plus. In the previous videos we see like how to use the for loop. So here we are using the while loop. So initially n is equal to 0. So n is equal to 0, n is equal to n plus 1. So therefore it should turn 4 times. Fine. So same thing is achieved now. So with a few lines of code. Now what you want to do is we want to fill the color. Right. So before filling the color, so let's see that what will happen if we change the degree. So this angle, if you change, what will happen? So let's make 50. Okay, it not yet been command join, so therefore it required more turns. So therefore I'll just try to turn. Okay, record so a few more turns. I'll increase to 20. So it's repeating. Okay, so once it's over, it's repeating. Fine, it's drawn actually. Okay, let it be there. Let's see that 160. Okay, so now it's repeating again and again. Okay, so how do we stop this repetition? So in order to do this, what you can do is, so cursor start at the 0 location. Therefore, we need to check whether it reached the 0 again. So now you can see that if t dot x coordinate, if that is equal to 0 dot 0, because it's a float actually, 0, then what you want to do, then we can stop this program. So n is equal to 25. So therefore it becomes false, so it will not run it again. See whether it works. No, it's not working. So it's not working. So let me print what is the value over there. T dot right. We'll utilize the right actually. T dot. Okay, I'm sorry. Here we have to use the quotes close brackets. So there is an error over there. Okay, it's done actually. So earlier we made a mistake. So we are not used the open brace and close brace. Because of that there is an error. We are not checked out. So now it's 0. So therefore it will stop the program there. So now we can try for one more 170. Okay, record some more rotations. Fine. So you record more rotations. So therefore what you can do is you can make less than 100. So then it should be 100. And now we can forward a little bit more, 300. And also we can change the color. Fine. So in order to change the color, so we need a random function. So we need to use the random function. So random function will generate the random number. So based on that, we know like RGB color, RGB. So therefore you can write a color code. Okay, C code that is equal to, fine. So three colors we need to generate. So you can say random dot random. So this will generate value from 0 to 1. So 3 times you required. So therefore you can write 3 times. So remove the comma and then put it over there. Okay, now we'll see that print and see what will happen. Print. Okay, so we'll apply to the color only. So therefore p dot t dot pen color, that is C code. Okay, so one bracket. So there is no error. So color is changed. So it's working now. Fine. You can see that it's beautifully designed the new picture. Okay, let me close this. What happened to this t dot x coordinate, that is equal to 0, that is equal to n is equal to 100. So if it's equal to 100, then also it will work. So therefore it should be 101. Okay. Next one. So you can try for another angle. So it's 180. So 180 means straight line. So therefore it will come back to same location. So give 190. Fine. So that's how we can generate different kind of stars there. So Control S, then again run. So each time you can see that color is changed, and we can able to generate different type of stars. So then you can make 2 turn. Okay, so here x value becomes 0, but y value also you need to check, because if you don't check the y value, only x value, because both x is here also 0, because only y value is changed. So therefore what you can do is you have to say and both the case, okay, not only x but even for y also. In that case you have to say is equal to y coordinate, that is equal to 0, then only you should stop the program. Now you can see that is not stopped, but is supposed to stop here, but okay, it's not stopped. Okay. Okay, so you can use the print t dot x coordinate, comma, I can use space, comma, t dot y coordinate. And also this is a large number, so if we don't want large number, you can use round, and then you can use comma 0 or 1 you can use. Okay, so here also you're supposed to use the round actually. Fine, so here you can use round, then here also round. So one more bracket, right? So this is the y coordinate. So when it comes, we need to check what is the values. Okay, this is minus 0 and then 0, 0. Okay, so in that case what you have to do is you need to use the